Beneath the blazing sun of ancient Egypt, rising majestically from the sands of Giza, stand the pyramids, a testament to human ingenuity and ambition. For centuries, these monumental structures have sparked awe, wonder, and countless debates. How did the ancient Egyptians, armed with rudimentary tools, construct such marvels? Were they aided by giants or advanced technologies? Let us embark on a journey to unravel these mysteries, piecing together archaeological evidence, historical accounts, and the tantalizing threads of alternative theories. The pyramids were not merely architectural wonders. They were sacred monuments embodying the pharaoh's divine authority and their journey to the afterlife. Commissioned by kings such as Khufu, Khafre, and Menkaure, these structures symbolized power, immortality, and the cosmic order of Ma'at. The Great Pyramid of Giza, the largest of them all, was constructed around 2560 BCE during the reign of Pharaoh Khufu. With a base covering 13 acres and towering over 480 feet, it remained the tallest human-made structure for nearly 4,000 years. But how did the ancient Egyptians translate this celestial vision into reality? To answer this, we must examine the ingenious methods and relentless labor that underpin their construction efforts. Legends and myths across cultures have attributed the construction of the pyramids to supernatural beings. The Book of Enoch, for instance, references giants known as the Nephilim, who were said to possess incredible strength and knowledge. Some propose that these giants could have aided in the construction, their immense size making the task more feasible. From a mythological perspective, stories from ancient civilizations often include references to beings of extraordinary power, whether giants, demigods, or divine entities. However, scientific scrutiny finds no evidence of such beings in the archaeological record. Fossils of ancient fauna and skeletal remains of workers suggest that the labor force consisted of ordinary humans, albeit highly organized and skilled. Yet these myths endure, perhaps as metaphors for the sheer magnitude of the pyramids' construction and the awe they inspired in those who beheld them. The ancient Egyptians employed a combination of ingenuity, resourcefulness, and collaboration to construct the pyramids. The first step involves selecting a suitable site. Giza, with its bedrock foundation and proximity to the Nile River, was ideal. Workers leveled the ground meticulously, creating a stable base capable of supporting immense weight. Limestone blocks for the outer casing were sourced locally, while the more durable granite for the inner chambers came from Aswan, over 800 kilometers away. Quarry workers used copper chisels, dolerite hammers, and wooden wedges to extract massive blocks. These stones, weighing up to 80 tons, were transported using sledges lubricated with water to reduce friction, a technique supported by recent archaeological evidence. One of the most debated aspects of pyramid construction is the method of raising the stones. Straight ramps, extending from the ground to the pyramid's apex, these ramps would require massive amounts of material and space. Zigzagging ramps. These would wrap around the pyramid, requiring less material but greater precision. Internal ramps. Proposed by French architect Jean-Pierre Houdin. This theory suggests that ramps inside the pyramid structure facilitated construction. The workforce comprised skilled artisans, seasonal laborers, and conscripted farmers who worked during the Nile's inundation. Far from slaves, these workers lived in well-organized settlements with access to food, medical care, and even beer. Hieroglyphic inscriptions and graffiti found near the pyramids revealed pride in their work, with teams adopting names like Friends of Khufu or Drunkards of Menkaure. Beneath the imposing exterior of the Great Pyramid lies a labyrinth of chambers, shafts, and passageways. These features reflect the Egyptians' complex beliefs about death and the afterlife. The King's Chamber. Located at the pyramid's heart, the King's Chamber is crafted from red granite and houses a sarcophagus. Its perfectly aligned granite beams suggest advanced knowledge of engineering and mathematics. The Grand Gallery. This towering passageway, sloping upward to the King's Chamber, exemplifies the precision and grandeur of Egyptian design. Hidden chambers and discoveries. Recent advances in technology, such as muon tomography, have revealed voids and hidden spaces within the pyramid. These findings fuel speculation about undiscovered treasures or secret purposes, yet to be understood. Beyond mainstream archaeology, alternative theories challenge conventional narratives. Extraterrestrial involvement. Proponents of this theory argue that the pyramids' alignment with celestial bodies, precise construction, and massive scale suggest the involvement of advanced beings. Lost ancient technologies. Some believe that ancient civilizations possessed advanced technologies, now lost to history. The precision of the stonework and the logistical feat of transporting massive blocks lend credence to this idea. Symbolism and sacred geometry. The pyramid's alignment with cardinal points and celestial phenomena reflects an understanding of astronomy that continues to baffle researchers. Could this knowledge hint at a deeper, esoteric wisdom? The pyramids endure as symbols of human achievement, resilience, and ambition. They remind us of a time when humanity dared to reach for the heavens, crafting monuments that transcended the limits of their era. Their construction reflects not only the technological prowess of ancient Egypt, but also the unity and purpose of its people. As we gaze upon these timeless structures, we are reminded of the mysteries they hold and the enduring legacy of those who built them.